Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a magical tiger with wings. Start by drawing the tiger's head with its sharp eyes and big mouth. Don't forget the cute little ears on top. Now let's color in the tiger. Make the body orange with black stripes. The paws can be green, like the grass. And don't forget to give the wings a beautiful shade of green, like the leaves on a tree. Great job, everyone! You've got a roaring, winged tiger ready to fly. How fun! Keep your masterpiece safe and show it off to your friends. Hi there, little artists! Today, we'll be drawing a friendly robot. Start by sketching the robot's big round head and fun smile. Add its robot arms with twisty lines, like springs. Let's bring our robot to life. Color the body purple and the legs and arms orange. The little claws on the hands can be yellow to make it bright and cheerful. Wow, look at that! You've just created a super cute robot. Isn't it fun? Keep coloring and let your robot be the happiest one in the world.